हाय, मेरा नाम गुंजन शाह है और this is your food channel. So today we are doing the Indian vegetable sandwich, which is basically called a grilled Bombay potato sandwich. कुछ लोग ये भी बोलते हैं कि ये club sandwich है. So just because my friends and my families, they thought that I should start doing some videos. So I thought, let me show my expertise, because it's been more than 15 to 16 years that I've been doing the hard work in industry. So this is just little showcase that I'm starting from my side. So today is the first beginning video, and thank you really very much to come and giving me a part in this journey. So this is just a beginning for me. First let me start with the ingredients. ये हमारे पास है coriander, mint and green chili chutney. So that's gonna be applying on one side. Basically this is gonna be a 3 breads for a one sandwich. It's a grill sandwich basically. So we're gonna make in 3 different layers all the stuffing, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make it. So it's gonna be in the end nice, grilled, cheesy, tasty, and a little bit spicy as well. So you can skip some of the stuff, you can mix some of the stuff. There are a lot of variations of people make it in different ways. So let's start with the other ingredients. Butter definitely works on the both side, inside and outside. Why outside? Because outside it gives a real grill touch to the crust and to the sandwich with a little extra taste. Potatoes, definitely it gives you a little fullness. With vegetables, we use least amount of water because we don't use too much of watery stuff. Definitely tomato give a little bit of a water contained in that, but it will be a mix with the bread, so it will be a dry. Cucumbers, because it tastes really well. थोड़ा बहुत चाट मसाला जाएगा उसके बीच में. Now the game changer part will be a jam, any type of jam. जैसे आपके बच्चों को कई बार किसी को स्ट्रॉबेरी अच्छा लगता है, किसी को ऑरेंज अच्छा लगता है, किसी को मिक्स फ्रूट अच्छा लगता है. You can put whatever you like. That goes a binding with bread, butter and cheese combination and gives a kick with a mint chutney. So enough of talking, and now let's get begin. So first we are cutting the bread's edges. Why we are doing that? Because we want to have a good feel. A lot of people, when they're making it at home, they feel like they don't want to cut it because intendedly sandwich थोड़ा छोटा हो जाता है इससे. कई बार लोग स्पेशली बेकरी में से बनवाते हैं, तो जो बड़े ब्रेड्स होते हैं, आई थिंक बॉम्बे में और दिल्ली में ऐसे जंबो साइज ब्रेड्स मिलते हैं. सब जगह नहीं मिल पाते. वी आर नॉट दैट फॉर्चुनेट. We do have special artisan breads here, but my family, they prefer normal wholemeal and simple kind of breads. So that's why we do bring some of them for just a morning breakfast when we do a different type of breakfast.
Hey, would you like to say where you're from actually, where you are right now?
Yeah, I didn't tell anything about myself. All right, let me give you a little bit of kickstart. My name is Gunjan Shah, as I said earlier. I have started my journey in 2008 with the food. Well, my mom, she really used to be a foodie kind of person, but pure vegetarian foodie, as I belong to Vaishnav family. But myself, I'm little bit different and little bit of a game changer person. So I wanted to learn everything about the food industry. So I thought after finishing my bachelor's, I wanted to do something with the food industry, learning, pursuing my career and getting to know more professional ways. So I come to Australia and start my kickstart journey with working and studying. So I studied in Meridian Hotel University. I finished in 3 years of time, I would say, because we had a little bit of problem that time. Some sort of riots and some sort of fires in 2010. So just because of that, we wasted a little bit of our 6 month of time period in that. but somehow I was good in my studies, and my teachers also know that I can do better in this career. So I finished my all modules, even though I was not attending classes, but I ended up finishing all. So yeah, that's a little bit of a boring part, but I work with the different companies, hotels, and working with the different companies, hotels, and cafes. So I gained my experience, and now after doing all 12 years of hard work experience, gaining permanent residency and citizenship, now I'm an owner of one restaurant. I have a little daughter. She's 4 years old, and I have my family settled here. My parents, they come and they give me help here to looking after my daughter. My in-laws also come and they also do the same thing, and that's how we.
Hey, you forgot me.
Oh, my wife, yes, that's why we say, better half. So my better half, she always comes and give me a hand with my daily life routine. Even she comes and help me in my restaurant as well with a little bit of finance management. That's why we say, home minister, She's not only a homemaker, she is a professional physiotherapist. So yeah, kudos to her. She did a lot better, I would say, because she did study physiotherapy from India, and she have expertise from her, some of the courses she did extra from the India. So yeah, now we are here in the journey. Okay, so my grill is almost nice and hot. That's what we want. कभी भी ठंडे ग्रिल के अंदर सैंडविच मत रखिएगा, otherwise your sandwich will not turn out proper. Sorry, not sandwich. Pardon me. Most of the people, I think in India, they do have gas one as well. So in gas one as well, always try to find out with a good big dollop of butter. Otherwise, your sandwich will definitely stick in there. Okay, so this is what we have done. This is in a 3-part as I've shown earlier. So on the first layer, we put a little bit of jam. Second layer, we put the vegetables. At the third layer, we put the hot chutney, the way I said. Now we start assembling the other ways. First, we're gonna put potato on the bottom. So the spiciness will be also mixed and give a good taste with the potato. So just try to assemble that. And see, कई बार आप लोगों को ना अगर थोड़ा बहुत शौक है देखने का कि भैया कैसे बनाते हैं इंडिया में सैंडविच, तो हमेशा नोटिस कीजिएगा कि वो एवरी लेयर में ना थोड़ा चाट मसाला डालते हैं. वो क्यों डालते हैं पता है? क्योंकि वो आपके हर बाइट के अंदर ना फ्लेवर इंपैक्ट रहे. क्योंकि आलू वैसे भी एक तो फीका होता है, तो चटनी कई बार अपना काम ना कर पाए तो चाट मसाला अपना काम कर देता है उसके अंदर.
Pause.
ओके, सो वी हैव डन दैट. फिर उसके ऊपर हम थोड़े से टमाटर के पीसेस डालेंगे. बहुत ज्यादा भी नहीं डालेंगे क्योंकि फिर हमें सैंडविच अपना वाटरी नहीं बना देना है. So we try to make it the smallest or least amount of tomato, not too much. Now the second layer will go over the top. Make sure they're all nicely buttered, because sometimes people say that oh butter तो सिर्फ फ्लेवर के लिए होता है. नहीं, बटर सिर्फ फ्लेवर के लिए नहीं होता है, वो इंग्रेडिएंट्स को पकड़ के भी रखता है. Okay, so we need to do that right way and with the proper organizing. Now we'll do that final layer of the cheese, which will go here on the top, or you can put it here as well. And the way I said, every layer chaat masala is very important. So we'll do a little bit of again chaat masala over the top. And now the best and final part, cheese. So मैं ये टेस्टी चीज यूज कर रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे चेडर, टेस्टी, रेड लेक कास्टर, बहुत सारे चीज के ऑप्शंस हमारे पास होते हैं. बट आई थिंक mozzarella will be too mild in a taste that I found. It's good for some of those, baking dishes where you don't need a lot of pack full of flavor. But जब बात सैंडविच की आती है तो प्रोसेस चीज के अंदर I think tasty cheese gives that right act the way they have named tasty. So it gives you a good taste. That was small joke, but jokes apart, definitely it does work. Alright, so now this is how we end up assembling our sandwich. Now the last and final part will be बटर लगाएंगे उसके ऊपर, बढ़िया करके लगाएंगे, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया उससे अच्छा क्रस्ट आता है और वो टेस्ट भी अच्छा देता है. अंदर भी लगा हुआ है तो that will melt and mix it really nice and proper. और हाँ, आप लोग हमें सजेस्ट भी कर सकते हैं कि आपको नेक्स्ट में कौन सा रेसिपी देखना पसंद करेंगे. We do have a lot of different recipe our own, but we wanted to know your suggestions. Now we are just putting our sandwich for grilling, and there we go. Now there are two different type of grillers available in the market. One with the grill mark and the other one is a flat grill. So this is not a flat grill. So there are two type of grillers available in the market. Likewise, see this. This one is with the grill marks one, and the other one is a flat grill one. So in this, the best thing is you just leave the butter on the top, and slowly it will go underneath. So even if you have not put too much butter before, it will still work nice grill, and you can just play up and down and it will be nice grill marked. And the flat one you can't forget. That's it. Now we just leave it to get a grill. Once the light will be changed, and then you'll see your sandwich will be completely done. Okay, see the way I said, ये लाइट ऑलरेडी कुकिंग के लिए है. जब ग्रीन लाइट हो जाए तो है थम्स अप. तुम्हारा सैंडविच बन गया. लेट्स सी नाउ. ओह माय गुडनेस, हैव अ लुक. नाइस, good grill marks. This is all because of the butter. If you don't put the butter, definitely grill will not work like this. So it's nice and crusty. See that sound? Beautiful. So let's cut it and let's plate it.
Start.
So that's how you basically get 6 pieces in India. Likewise, I cut it and voila. Best way to have it with a mixture of nice spicy green chutney. Again, as I said, little bit of a chaat masala on the top of the sandwich. So we'll get nice, and nothing is finished in India without a ketchup. So beautiful ketchup. So I would say this is it, and I present you Indian style nice vegetarian club sandwich. Thank you very much, and please keep coming, give your love, and yeah, please let me know next time what you would like to have a new dish. Give us on a comment, or definitely you can leave your say that how did I do in my first video. Definitely I will try more better in next one, and thank you very much for coming. See ya.